Now, another thing that you're going to come across is you're going to come across a DVD drive and a DVD burner. Now, this is very important. A DVD drive only reads data. A DVD burner can read data and write it to a CD. So why wouldn't you get a burner? I have no idea. AKA, always get a burner. Again, you want a DVD burner. Drive can only read. Burner can read and write data. What one do you want? Come on, get a burner. Alright, now that you got a DVD burner, you need to understand one little thing. I touched on it before, but this time I'm going to touch on it again. You're going to come across, when you're getting a burner, things that says DVD minus R or DVD minus RW. What minus R means is write speed. I don't know why they named it R, because it isn't like write your right hand, it's like writing on a piece of paper. But this is your write speed, or how much data you can put on the CD. Your rewrite speed, some DVDs, you can have it where when there's already data on the CD, you can write over it and do it again. Your write speed, you can do it once. In some DVDs, once there's already data, you can write over again, some you can't. So make sure you just remember that. Your write speed R, if it says R on your DVD burner, then it means write. If it says RW, then you can rewrite CDs. It doesn't really matter since I don't really rewrite over a lot of DVDs since they're like 5 cents each, but just in case you wanted to know. And for our build today, we went with the light on, and that was the brand name. DVD, remember, not a CD. Don't ever buy a CD drive or burner. You want a DVD burner, not just a drive. We got a DVD burner. We went with the IDE interface, and our speed is 20 by 8 by 16. And these respectively, 20 for our write speed, how much we can give, or how fast we can give data on the CD. 8 is our rewrite speed. If there's any data on the CD or DVD, I'm going to rewrite it. And we went with 16 for our read speed. Any data that's on the DVD, we're going to take it out, or going to read it at 16. So, now that I told you guys what I went with my build today, hopefully you picked out a DVD drive for your build today. And once you did, make sure to subscribe to my channel, watch this tutorial on high def, and once you learn everything there is to learn in this tutorial, move on to my next tutorial, and I'll see you there. Thanks.